Now, I recommend changing one thing. Trying to reinvent the whole wheel typically leads to overwhelm, and that is going to do the reverse of getting you out in the rut, like push you down, put a foot on your head. But change up your workflow. Maybe it's a piece of equipment or a synth that you use. Maybe it's a style of writing. Instead of composing, try improvising. Maybe it's the method you use for arrangement. Maybe it's the concept that you start from. So Brian Eno, fantastic creative, is well known for the oblique strategies that he created. You sort of pick a card and it puts something in your mind, and then you'll write your piece of music or paint your painting or whatever you're going to do to the concept that's on that card. Makes a different connection with your brain. Really, really powerful. And notice that's what's happening with a bunch of these is that we're turning this rut from being a problem into an opportunity. Instead of being stuck in a rut, which is problem thinking, we'll start to create new opportunities. So new ways of working, new pieces of gear to explore, a new tutorial. That can be great when you're stuck, really truly stuck in a rut, to light you up. Something new, learn something new. Capturing all of those ideas. They're all things that would never have seen the light otherwise. New opportunities, a new environment. You might find somewhere amazing to get out of the studio.